Good morning. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my own recipe scrambled eggs with bread. Okay, first you need an egg, and then we're going to have rice, and we're going to have whatever bread it is. I don't know what bread it is, but it's there. Okay lah, whatever. Took me so long to set this stupid thing. First you need a pan, okay? First you need a pan. And then what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to first of all First of all I need to do right now is going to put the margarine onto the pan. So before you put the margarine into the pan, you need to on the fire. Wow. Can I even cook this? I don't know, let's try, motherfucker. Okay, yeah, just take a few I hope it happens. I never tried this before, but kids don't try this at home. Yeah, you know, just gonna scoop it. Just gonna throw it in. Scoop it again. Throw it in. No, I think it's enough. Just make the butter melt. But the butter is melting. So what I'm going to do later is I'm going to put this bread on top of the margarine. Okay, now the bread is like this. You have to cut. It smells so nice. Okay, you need to cut it half. In order to cut it half, you need to use the thing that cut your dick. Is this thing, the knife. Okay, make sure this thing is hot. I mean the pan is hot. I know I'm hot. Early in the morning. What? 9:30 AM on Friday. Just cut it like, you know how to cut it. I don't have to teach you how to cut this thing. Oh shit, it's not in the middle. You're gonna cut this first like that, and then you're gonna put your back. So there you go. So what you're going to do right now is just you're going to put it in around. The butter stuck inside this thing. Yeah. But before that, you have to actually it's very crispy. You need to cook the egg. I forgot to cook the egg. As you want to make a beautiful scrambled eggs, you need to, professional teaching you how to do it. And make sure shake it well. Okay, it's done. This is the outcome of the egg. And this is the outcome of the bread. It's very good. It's very crispy. Stupid thing. Yeah, make sure it's hot. If it's not hot, you're going to pre-hot it again. Okay? But I think scrambled eggs need to do some pan. But this pan is too big, so I'm not going to use this pan. It's very hot. Caution. I should just put the bread back. You see that? You see that egg? The egg is like, I mean the margarine, the butter is shh. So now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put it in. Close the fire. Close the fire. You on it back on, okay? Because why I do that is because why I do that is because it's actually easier for me. You know what? I should just shut the fuck up and cook. I don't even know what's what. Okay, I'm done cooking. So this is the outcome of the. This is how it's supposed to look like. This is how it's gonna look like. It's a nice looking egg. And now you're going to put it on top of the bread. Okay, what's the best sauce to eat in this kind of food is sauce Lingham. Do buy it, it's very nice. You can eat it with anything. You can eat it with fries, you can eat it with nuggets and anything. Okay, let me taste one. It's so nice. It tastes like eggs. Okay, basically I'm done cooking it, and now I'm going to show you the final outcome of it. Let's go. Dinner is served, guys. Dinner is served. Look at that hot sizzling roti john ala no nothing inside, with Lingham sauce and a nice plate. And let's zoom in there and see. Ooh, damn. What I'm waiting for is me testing my own delicious food. Let's go. Okay, let me test it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma barik lana fima razaqtana wa qina adzaban nar. Not even kidding. It's really nice. Maybe I'm hungry, but no, this is really nice because I cook. This is the last bite, man. I'm gonna cherish these beautiful moments. Goodbye, friend. You've been a great partner to be with. Clean as a whistle. I would rate my food 10 out of 10, okay? Definitely perfection. If Gordon Ramsay going to see this, he's going to be very impressed. And I know it may sound like bullshit to you, but this is the moment of truth. You guys don't know it's nice or not, but I know it's nice. You guys don't know what you guys talking about. If I slap your face, better agree with me, because I'm the best. I know that I can do this. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys learned something new. I'm full, you're bloody full.